Hey everyone! Ever wished you could turn your words into music? Meet Suno AI. This tool transforms text into beautiful melodies. Just type your text, and the AI does the rest. For example, I typed, "Let's create a magical symphony together," and voila! Suno AI composed a unique tune. It's like having a personal composer. Whether you're a content creator, musician, or just love music, Suno AI adds a unique touch to your projects. From pop to classical, Suno AI creates diverse musical styles, perfect for videos, podcasts, or personal enjoyment. Want to turn your words into music? Check out Suno AI. It's a game changer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time. Suno AI, where your words become music.